Welcome back to Pascalini Productions. I'm Pasco, and today we're going to demo the Pixel line from Acme. The Pixel line weighs in at 17 pounds. It features a true 1 input with an auto-switching power supply and is safe to run on American standard 120 or 208 volt services. It sports 11 channel modes. The most useful in my experience have been the 68 and 117 channel modes. The smart glass technology in these fixtures allows you to turn the lens's frost feature on and off via DMX. It's rated IP66, and in its tenure with us, we have put it through the ringer of festival season, seeing both dust and rain. The Pixel line has an output of 21,900 lumens and has a max power consumption of 420 watts. Much like the JDC strobe, it has a main RGB plate with a white strobe rail running down the center. The LED plates are broken into 32 instances, with 16 instances in the strobe rail, for a total of 49 instances being used in its largest channel mode. From a design perspective, these fixtures are bright and versatile. We've deployed them in many different ways on many different shows. From a technician's perspective, I've seen a number of board failures, which does concern me. Acme has been more than helpful with the warranty claims, but it's still an unfortunate circumstance. A lot of the designs that we've seen this year have used this fixture to line the truss, much like you'd use a Martin Sceptron. One of the benefits to using the Pixel line over the Sceptron is you keep the entire rig on DMX cable rather than having to integrate P3 or BDD cable into the rig. One of the downsides of using the Pixel line over the Sceptron is the amount of weight you put on the front of the truss. This can be solved with creative rigging techniques, but it's also something to be aware of. Overall, the Pixel line does pretty well for its price point. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe.